So this beauty literally just formed right before my very eyes. Got the original footage of that, and we are on our way to see the bamboo. And it's kind of funny because when I said we were on our way to see the bamboo, that is when it popped up. This bamboo is a very special being. It's very intelligent. Of course, all plant life is, you know. So understand that. So anyway, watch how everything will change as we get up the street. Happened the last time. I don't see any reason why it would happen any different this time. So as we start to come up here, I think it's going to get considerably windy. And one of the reasons is I know the bamboo already knows we're coming. So it starts kind of rally the whole area up there. I expect we may get some wind chimes here in a second. I could be wrong, but this is pointed downward, isn't it? Oh, I can hear the bamboo losing it. This is all coming from the bamboo, ladies and gentlemen. Here goes the wind chimes. Look at all this. Bamboo is right there. Yeah, but he'll bounce back from that. My friend. Hello, love. We came back for a little bit. Let me get this off. Hi there. How are you? You are so loved. So loved. Okay. Can you check and see if that's being seen or not?
The trees are. You're not in it though.
I'm not in it?
Move back a little bit more. Your hand is.
Oh dear.
So you have to move a little closer.
Okay. Still, watch the reaction of the bamboo. I can't believe it's aimed that far up. My goodness. Okay. What about now?
I see your shoulders and head above.
How about
See your
now?
hands. That's better. That's about chest.
Okay, so as you can see, Michael Grubb from AEMI, this is my relationship with this particular plant, bamboo. This is a marvelous being. Do know that this being is allowing me to interact with it like this, okay? So, this is a very stoic being, survives, you know, being a pretty much a tropical plant, it survives everything that Bloomington, Indiana throws at it. Okay. I made friends with this guy a few years ago. I was just kind of walking along doing my own thing, and I realized it was, while I was walking past, it was outstretching towards me. And I was in a particularly bad mood that night, and we bonded. Everything that I was saying to him, it recognized, and it acted as a friend. That's all I can say is I went up, started talking to it. It literally would have leaned forward, and then I could feel the thoughts coming back. And so I created a very tight bond with this particular character. I love him with all my soul. Know, and really you should know that all beings out here, what I'm trying to prove here is they're all sentient. They're all intelligent. Okay? They know when energy is being directed to them. They unfortunately know when you're about ready to come and chop them down. Okay? They feel every last thing that occurs. Okay? So you gotta understand, I hear a lot of the times vegetarians don't really quite take into account how much these guys feel as well. Okay? Because in vegetarians and vegans, it's one of the things to, just eat vegetarian. Well, the thing is these guys feel too. They think, they feel, they have emotion. They got the sunlight going through them. They perpetuate themselves by sunlight. Sunlight is sheer intelligence, and that's what they're using to process themselves with. So they're very intelligent. They can read your signature as you're coming along. So they know whether you're friendly or not friendly. So it's the last time too when we came out and we were with the bamboo, it got all sunny. And then we came out with the intentions of going to see the bamboo, and it got all sunny. I was just talking to Daniel and Kyle. Anyhow, I love this guy with all my soul. I am glad to be able to present the personality, which is this bamboo, in such a manner. And you can say hello, just allow your energy to go and say hello to it. It's listening. It can filter out every single thought that goes through this thing, through this television, through everything that is, through the internet, and it knows that you're speaking to it. So, you got a guy coming up this way, have no idea if he's going to continue his path this direction or not, but if so, you know what we must do. So, now, I wanted to get a different perspective of it, so I'm going to go ahead and shut this portion off, and we're going to film from a different direction. Alright? Eternal love. Good. I also want to note that this guy will stay dormant unless you're actually putting attention on him. Once you start putting your attention on him, okay? Boom, activation. That isn't just my energy, it's choosing to activate. Okay, so let that be known. And let that also be known, what you just heard.